Today we have 2.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Usually rice and chicken they use bone-in, but since I couldn't find any bone-in in my area, I just chose these boneless. 2.5 pounds. And for the marinade, we need lemon zest from the 2 lemons and lemon juice from the 2 lemons. We need 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and fresh chopped thyme. I don't have dried thyme, so I'm just gonna use the fresh one. And 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and then 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and we need 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We're just gonna mix it. And we're going to marinate this for like 2 hours, or the longer the better. I'm gonna do it next. I'm gonna marinate these until dinner time, which today is, right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's gonna be like 5 in the afternoon, so I can marinate this for almost 7 hours. We'll be back later. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's gonna fit. Fry the marinated chicken, everything that can fit in the cast iron pan. Save the leftover marinade. Flip them over when they are already golden brown. Take them out of the pan and set aside. In the same cast iron pan, saute the onions. When the onions are already translucent, add the fresh green beans. Add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Mix until the garlic add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and the leftover marinating sauce. Mix and stir, and don't forget to scrape the bottom of the pan to get all the deliciousness from the chicken. And after 2 minutes, add 1.5 cups of rice. Then add 4 cups of chicken broth. Cook and bring them to a boil until the rice is cooked a little bit. Then add the fried chickens. Cook for 1 minute and cover the pan with foil. Transfer in a 425 preheated oven and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover and take the foil off and cook for another 10 minutes. And our 1-pan chicken and rice is cooked. It is good to serve when it is still very hot.
Oh, yummy! Oh, yummy!